In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board templates in Monday.com, enabling you to streamline your project management process and save valuable time. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, following these simple steps will make it easy for you to establish templates that fit your workflow needs. Let's begin from the Monday.com homepage. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the workspace board that you wish to convert into a template. This careful choice is crucial as it allows you to replicate a setup that you find effective and can be reused across similar projects. Once you've identified the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see three dots symbol. Clicking on this will open a menu of options for that board. From this drop-down menu, choose More Actions to expand your options further. Within this list of actions, you'll see the option to Save as a Template. Selecting this step is a game changer. It will allow you to immortalize the layout and settings of your preferred board for future use. Now that you've decided to save the board as a template, click on Next. This action allows you to proceed with confirming the board as a template. You might notice you need to click Next once again. This repetitive action ensures that you're mindful of the process and don't inadvertently save an incorrect version. After these confirmations, click Create Template. This step solidifies your board's new status as a template, safeguarding it in your repository of reusable configurations. Once successfully created, you might wonder how to verify its existence. To check, click the plus icon located beside the workspace name. This icon is your gateway to the Template Center where all your saved templates reside. When you enter the Template Center, you'll see an option labeled Created by You. Clicking here will display templates you've personally crafted, including the one you've just created. This feature is particularly useful for accessing customized setups without sifting through an extensive list of generic templates. And that's it. You've now learned how to create board templates on Monday.com. This straightforward process can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to duplicate successful project setups quickly and efficiently. Remember, the more effectively you use templates, the more you can focus on the unique aspects of each project without getting bogged down by repetitive administrative tasks. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your newfound efficiency with Monday.com templates.